Disney animals and their ages. Baby Pegasus is basically a 1-year-old toddler with wings. Adorable chaos included. Dumbo acts like a shy little toddler, learning the world one big step at a time. Bambi starts as a curious preschooler, discovering nature with innocent wonder. Cub Simba has full energetic kid energy, brave, reckless, and always asking questions. Stitch may be dangerous, but emotionally, he's basically a chaotic 6-year-old. Marie has the attitude of a fancy little child who knows she's adorable. Nemo feels exactly like an adventurous elementary school kid testing boundaries. Thumper has the non-stop playful energy of a kid who can't sit still for even 5 seconds. Flounder is that nervous best friend who still feels like a young school kid. Abu acts like a mischievous preteen who absolutely cannot resist stealing shiny things. Pascal gives loyal best friend energy with silent but very obvious kid reactions. Timon feels like a sarcastic teenager who thinks he knows everything. Pumbaa has sweet older teen energy, kind-hearted, awkward, and lovable. Sven behaves like the dependable young adult friend who somehow understands everything. Lady feels like a young adult, sweet, responsible, but still discovering the bigger world around her. Maximus has full disciplined adult officer energy. Jack behaves like a hardworking adult helper with endless loyalty. Sebastian is the stressed adult trying to keep younger people from ruining everything. Mushu talks like that overconfident adult friend with way too much drama. Baloo has peak relaxed, middle-aged uncle vibes. Raja gives protective, mature guardian energy. Rafiki feels like the wise elder who speaks in riddles, but somehow makes sense. The caterpillar talks like that mysterious older philosopher nobody fully understands. The Cheshire Cat feels ancient, like he existed before logic itself.